Uh, welcome to all. Welcome to all. Uh, in this lecture series, we will try to learn pandas. For that, number one, first we need to actually go into the Jupyter notebook. Okay, as you can see, my desktop here in the Run tab, I type Anaconda prompt. I think you can see the Anaconda prompt here. I click on this Anaconda prompt, and it depends upon the speed of the system, uh, based on which the time it takes to give the prompt, give the command lines here. Okay. So this is my laptop, or I'm using a laptop which is 8 GB RAM, and then these are some things happening. Let me check first of all Python version. So I'm checking Python version. Let me actually scroll this up, right? So press enter. So the Python version which is installed, which I tried to install in my laptop, is 3.12.7. This has come up with Anaconda itself. Now the next, we need to open the Jupyter notebook. So if I type Jupyter spelling Jupyter, and then I say notebook. If I press Jupyter notebook, because Anaconda is installed with all the features available, Jupyter, Python, other editors are available. So I am taking this as, Jupyter notebook. Yeah, let us wait and then look at this particular Jupyter notebook first. Whatever is the default browser, it will try to open in that browser in your particular system. So probably I came to here, the home tab. Okay, let me actually, what do you call it? Minimize this. And you should keep the command prompt window, Anaconda command prompt window open, and then try to run. So this is the interface. This is the, Jupyter notebook, how it looks like. Now we want to open a new, what you call Python notebook. And then we want to write our code there. So you can see, if I click on new, I find Python 3, terminal, console, new file, new folder, right? So I go with Python 3 IPY kernel here. And then let me see. So this is what it gets opened. So you can see the Jupyter is open, but the title, this is not given a name. Now, if I click on this here, again I do, I click on this untitled 4, it is giving me this. So I say Pandas lecture series 1. Okay. Let me say it like that, Pandas lecture series 1. So if I rename this, it automatically removes. Now you can see the cell here in which we can actually try to start writing our code. As a first go, we are importing. So I am trying to show you this, and I can see how I am writing this here. Import numpy as np. See, numerical Python as short numpy. And then these are the libraries. Import pandas as p. And then we might need something else, but okay, fine. As of now, this is the library. We are trying to utilize the library resources available in the pandas. So we need to write a syntax as import numpy as n, import pandas as p. Okay, but how do I run this? You can see this, there is a run command here. Run this cell in advance shift enter. Otherwise, how do I do? I can write, if I say enter, it will be something like this. That means it is not running. If I say shift enter, now it's you can see the star mark here. That means it is taking some time to load, right? To run. Once this is disappears, that means we are ready. Now see, it is ready. So that is how I try to create or try to import our what do you say NumPy or libraries like that. Okay. So I'm just trying to write something. Let's see whether I am trying to use NumPy and create an array. I've created an array, but let me give this to some variable and then check whether this works. Okay, 1, 2, 3. These are the basic operations in the mathematics, right? So I run this program, but see, I'm not seeing result. If I run this program again like this, now see, okay. But I'm not seeing X, so I say print values in array X are, okay, I say X. Now let us see. Yeah, see. So this is what happens. Okay. So this is the first video in which we try to come up to this our Jupyter notebook and I try to import pandas and NumPy. See, in pandas, we have something called series. We have something called pd dot data frame, data frame. So two things are available here. So we will like these are the data structures in the pandas. Okay. We'll meet in the next lecture series 2 and then understand more of pandas.